Hello and welcome. Just wanted to thank everybody for taking some time to check out our new product that we are putting on the market. We're very excited about, especially when you're thinking about how important sustainability is in today's world and the architectural community. We certainly want to address that. So we're very excited to release our BioCore Acoustical Wall Panels product. And we're going to talk about that in the presentation. Just some quick background as to who I am. My name is Kevin Mann. I'm the business development manager for SoundSeal. SoundSeal is a part of the Catalyst Acoustics group. So we've been in the business for over 40 years, and we're put out a lot of great products for noise control. And we've really been diversifying some of our product lines and coming up with some new ideas lately. And this is one we're really excited to present today. So let's jump right into the presentation, and we if anyone has any questions or anything like that, please go ahead and type them into the question bar in your taskbar, and I'll be glad to address them at the end of the presentation. This is a pretty quick one, just so you are aware. So what are BioCore Acoustical Wall Panels? They're acoustical products with the world in mind. So sound quality BioCore acoustical wall panels are designed to solve acoustical needs and enhance the aesthetic look of your space, which many of our products do that, with a variety of options to choose from, including sizes, fabrics, colors, and shapes. It's easy to create the perfect solution for your reverberation sound problem. So in this picture, you can see one of the custom shapes that we can do with our product. It's a triangular shape, and kind of stacking these nicely to get a really nice look. These can be used in any setting where you would typically use fabric wrap wall panels. But the nice thing about this product is the sustainability aspect, which we're going to get into next. So BioCore acoustical wall panels utilize an ECOS technology in the core of the product, which is where it gets its name, BioCore. So ECOS technology is revolutionary, new, natural, formaldehyde-free binder technology made from a rapidly renewable organic material instead of oil-based chemicals, reduces embodied energy, and delivers superior environmental sustainability. So these are really great products because they utilize this, it's kind of a brown color, and it's a very natural product that performs just as well as the typical fiberglass. I think in the testing that we did, there was maybe a difference of 0.5 in the assembly, maybe lower. So it's still really close to a typical fiberglass that we would use. And you get some great results and are able to have a sustainable product by doing that. So the BioCore acoustical panels, just to talk a little bit more about how we can customize them, really similar to our typical sound quality acoustic wall panels as well, just utilizing the unique core, so that you can do custom sizing with the max size of 4 foot by 10 foot. A typical size would be anywhere from 4 foot to 4 foot by 4 foot to 4 foot by 8 foot. But we can go up to 4 foot by 10 foot. Custom shapes are available, so we can do all different types of shapes for unique looks. The edges are resin hardened, so they're going to be very durable. They're not going to get those kind of tears as easily in the sides of the product because they're going to be resin hardened and very durable. There's multiple hardware options for the installation, so you can use impaling clips, Z-clips, and RotoFast hardware. We're a big fan of the RotoFast option because this is a really great, quick and easy way to install products. And you can see more details on our website on these types of installations that we offer. And also, just like all of our products that we offer for interior, it's Class A fire rated per ASTM E84. I actually got to oversee personally the BioCore testing at the test lab when we did fire and acoustical testing. And I was really excited to see the flame spread on the 1-inch panel, I believe, was a 0, which was pretty great. And it was a very small amount in the 1 1/8 inch panel. And so through both tests, it's able to be cleared for a Class A fire rating based on the International Building Code. So to just go into a little bit of the standard option here. So the BioCore standard panels are 1 inch thick. We picked up an NRC of 0.75, like I said, at the acoustical lab. That's what we were able to come up with for this panel. There's many fabric options available. And we're actually going to talk just a little bit later about some exciting fabric options that make it even more of a sustainable choice. So the thickness for this product is, being 1 inch, and you can kind of see the measurements that we took at the different third octave bands. They got us the NRC of 0.75. So I'm going to talk about the high impact panels as well. So the 1 1/8 inch thick panel has a higher impact facing. You can use it for, it's attackable facing as well, and that's kind of been a popular use for these types of products lately. Also, just the higher impact is nice because it's going to hold up even better against higher abuse settings. We were able to get an NRC of 0.85 with that extra 1/8 inch in there as well, and you can see the measurements that we took at the bottom of the screen. So we'll talk about the applications that we have for these types of products. So you can use them anywhere you would typically use a fabric wrap wall panel, like I said earlier. So, you can put these in schools, universities, auditoriums, houses of worship, office spaces, conference rooms, theaters, studios, multi-purpose rooms, hospitals, and medical facilities. So these are really great. They have the sustainability aspect. You can kind of see in this picture, popping them in there with maybe some greenery or something like that really also enhances the sustainability aspect of the product. Getting further into sustainability, the BioCore acoustical panels are manufactured with ECOS, like I said earlier, which is kind of a brown colored fiberglass core with 60% recycled content. So they got that environmentally friendly core, which is actually Green Guard Gold certified, kind of a coveted certification to get in the sustainability world. The fact that it's Green Guard Gold is a really high certification and has very low chemical emissions, and it's LEED eligible. Always like products to be LEED eligible, of course, so it's definitely a nice advantage to getting this particular product. So I promised earlier that I would also talk just a little bit about a way that we can get even more sustainable with the product. And we had actually had a webinar about 3 months ago or so with Guilford of Maine, who we used quite a bit of their fabrics for our products. You can choose other fabrics if you'd like, but they're definitely one of the ones that we use probably the most when we're putting together our panels. They actually released a clean impact textile product, which is made from 100% post-consumer recycled biodegradable polyester. And it's industry leading because it's made from ocean waste as well, from 100% post-consumer ocean waste. So this is a really cool way to utilize the core of the product being sustainable, and also you can utilize these fabrics or textiles that are also sustainable. So you can kind of put these together and really customize a great product altogether. So here you can actually see all the different color options from neutrals to brights as well when you're looking at these clean impact textiles in combination with our BioCore panels. So if you are interested in anything like this, feel free, you can reach out directly to me and the team. You can also go on our website to check out these different options. On this last screen here, this has my contact information. So please feel free to send me an email, reach out to me via phone. If you're looking for samples of the product, we do have quite a few samples available at this time. And you can find more information on our website about these particular products. So if there's any questions or anything like that too, you can type them into the question bar or just send them to me in an email and I'll be glad to get back to you. So thanks very much for your time today. Like I said, this is kind of a shorter presentation, but we are excited about launching this BioCore product and hope that you will check this out soon to use in any projects that you might be working on. I appreciate it. Thank you and have a great day.